So this is the world's most rugged phone. It's completely waterproof. It's the new Blackview. Of course, it's dustproof. Let's quickly unbox this smartphone. Here is the package. Upon opening, we got the phone and several accessories. And it definitely does come up with the power adapter, a USB Type-C cable, and it do come with the earbuds, a quick start guide, and it has its own tempered glass already provided in the box. Quickly having a look at the specifications, we got a super rigid body in over here with a fingerprint scanner and with a massive 4380 mAh big battery. Now let's test out the rigidity of this phone. Let's boil it. Now it's the boil time. So the water is pretty hot at almost 90 degrees centigrades, and I'm just pouring out it onto the smartphone directly in this one. As you can see over here, temperature is showing above 75 degrees centigrades. It's pretty hot, guys. So it seems it survived that test without any worries. Now test out it in the minus temperature, in the minus 30 degrees centigrades. After 21 hours, let's have a look at a phone call. Is it still alive? Wow, it is still alive inside this thing. And you can see the timing, it's above 21 hours. But wait, it can do this thing as well. Without any scratch on it. Still working perfectly fine. And you can even drive over it. Yeah, of course nobody wants to drive on their phone, but you can do it still. I mean, we are just testing out the rigidity of this amazing phone. It's still working 100% fine. No scratches, nothing, 100% fine. So, the latest Blackview, the BV9900E. Check out this phone from the links available in the description down below, and thumbs up the like button and share this video. Peace!